Edmond, I'm getting exhausted, bro. It's getting hard to catch up to you, dude.
Alright, you're so big. Where do you
Oh, wow.
Maybe put a sticker over my tires. Unfortunately, you guys don't make Michelin sizes for this car, so I have Pirellis.
He says it's okay.
It's okay?
All right. Okay.
Wow, what a turnout. Hey, Francesco, my man.
How are you?
Thank you. So much better than Geneva.
Yeah, it is bigger, and but we will see the place after. Then it will be crazy. And then drive. No, here no. After yes, but here no. Here no donuts. Otherwise, it will cost more than your last fine.
It's okay. I have a guy that can get me out of trouble. You know, I was supposed to be in the Nürburgring today. I was supposed to be driving through Germany. Last night, I went through Switzerland, Germany, and Netherlands just to make it here. Yeah.
And now
support this guy.
with all the guys here, all the gang.
You got the Porsche crew, the Lambo crew, all the way back there, the Mercedes AMG crew. I don't. Are they like outside the chateau? Can we go look at the cars?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh my God. Guys, the Apollo IE looks even more wicked in real life. So this blue was out of this world.
They've had to wrap it like this because this is going in the trash. They've had to rebuild the whole thing. So this is no longer a prototype. It's
I heard during the interview for this car, dude, this thing looks so wicked. Houston, we have to slightly redesign our car to make it look. Which one's your favorite car, Francesco?
Oh, I love this.
This?
Yeah, this for sure. I really love this one.
That looks so crazy in person. Wow. All these cars look so nice in person. I mean, they look great in pictures too, but holy fuck, that design is iconic. Like, it makes the LaFerrari look like it's nothing.
Casual.
Right? Yeah, that's true. Dude, rose gold interior.
It's beautiful.
One thing I like about this, Houston, all glass on top, looks really nice.
Huge fan, man.
Oh, pleasure, bro.
Just watch everything.
Which one's your favorite episode?
Good question. I think your Mercy review is awesome.
Which one?
The Mercy review.
Okay, yeah, of course.
I think the most recent one, where he got pulled over and the tunnel runs in the Mercy.
That was,
he said he watched it 3 times.
3 times, yeah.
Yeah, it's like so crazy.
One of my favorite ones. That one and the one where I unfortunately crashed the Porsche. Novitec.
Yeah.
You can run, but you can't hide.
Hey!
What's up? How you doing?
Yeah, bro. How are you?
You had a good trip?
Hey.
Hi.
How are you?
What's up, man?
Hey.
Good to see you.
You good? Yeah.
You know, we drove from Switzerland.
Yeah.
We were in Italy, went from Italy to Austria, into Switzerland, then back into Austria somehow, and then back into Switzerland, and then through Germany.
Yeah, I saw that. When you going on the A5, you pushing it?
Yes, we did.
Yeah. He sends me a DM because my check engine light was on.
So what's the next stop after?
I don't know. You tell me. I was supposed to be at the Nürburgring right now, but I'm over here. It's
that's
wherever
perfect.
I go, that's you know, we book a hotel
When you there.
Yeah, and the problem with that is all the good ones are sold out, so we get like these really crappy ones with a twin bed, and he has to sleep on the floor.
I sleep on the floor. I won't sleep next to him. I won't.
It's, you know, it's crazy that it's really unfortunate that all those cars you're not even gonna look at. Yeah. Right? But those are really cool cars.
I don't know. There was a lot of people over there earlier, but you came whenever you like pulled up. Everybody just started running. So.
Oh, did you guys hear me coming?
Oh, yeah.
No, not really.
Oh,
yeah,
no.
well,
you were all the way in the back.
We didn't hear you.
I want to do donuts here.
You're allowed to over here?
There's a lot of things I'm not allowed to do in Europe that I've been doing. When I get home, I'll deal with the tickets then. Until then, we have fun. I have 50 tickets at home. The last one I care about.
I think there's a little bit more than that.
Yeah, probably a lot more. You yourself have like 30 tickets.
Yeah, I do.
You know, you're just like me. You get so shy. Now, like, I'm slowly getting used to being in front of the camera. But before, like when my first 10 episodes, if you watch them, I had the camera and I would just like stare at it. Like he had to edit like 10 hours of video into like 15 because half the time I was just like staring at the camera. I'm like, this is so awkward.
It was that much.
So he just came up to me and told me the Mercy in person sounds unreal, that he's heard it a million times online and in videos, but you know, just doesn't do it justice. I said, can you repeat that? And he said, oh, don't point the camera in it. It's gonna get awkward.
You just don't know what it sounds like until you're in real life.
Yeah.
So loud and high pitched.
So your favorite sounding car here? I mean, if it's not the Mercy logo, it's okay. You can say it's not. I'm just not gonna tag you on my video.
Either the Mercy or the SV.
The SV, really?
Yeah, either of them. Yeah.
Really?
Yeah. The thing about the SV is you can bounce it off the limiter. You can with the Mercy.
You can?
It goes all the way up to 82, and then it drops down to like 5, and then 82. So that sounds better when you're revving, but I think under pressure, this car sounds better.
The nutcase behind the Mercy logo.
The nutcase. Hey, how are you?
Oh, hey.
It's a pleasure to meet you, Edmond.
Edmond, yeah, I've seen your videos.
Oh, you have?
Yeah,
Awesome.
yeah.
I've seen your cars.
Okay, thank you. Thank you.
It is that Apollo. I was just saying to the video.
Yeah.
In pictures and videos,
Yeah.
it looks like amazing, right? Best looking car, but in person, oh my God! Like, does it fly?
Yeah, well,
Can we go look at it?
of course.
This is what a designer looks like. You see this?
Come on.
This is what a YouTuber looks like. This is what a
I
designer.
love it. I love it.
Casual.
Which one is your favorite between the two? Be honest. You have to have one.
They're both my babies. I don't know. It's they both represent different things.
Absolutely,
You know,
right?
This is pure race car, you know, track focused, aerodynamic driven. Whereas this is more classically driven with the 60s. You know, so this is
The rose gold.
oh, this is
That's
my little touch on it. Yeah.
Beautiful touch.
Okay.
Look at that shifter.
Yeah, it's gonna be a manual. So
Can we fist pump on that? Yeah. Can we? Manual, that's amazing. Come on.
you are
So-
insane in this car.
Yeah.
I've seen Instagram of this car all the time.
But by the way, it's a very rare car. If you want to trade for one of these, I'd be
You will have
willing
to speak to
do
the founder. Yeah, yeah.
that. So these are all sold out, unfortunately.
Yes, these are taken.
And these,
We've got over 200, 300 interest in these cars.
200, 300 interest in this.
Yeah, but we're only making 72.
Because when I saw the pictures of this, I was like, this is a $2 million car. You guys are only asking $850?
Yeah, somewhere around that. Yeah, it's not fully set just yet.
Okay,
So
I
yeah,
guess-
we're forecasting the
I guess
price of it. Yeah,
my comment just took the price. You know, this is very expensive. You should bring the price down, make it more affordable.
No, but it goes back to the brand philosophy. You know, De Tomaso as a brand did at the time, you know, deliver European leading design, also, you know, supercar
At an affordable
power,
price.
At an affordable
Yeah,
price.
I've done my research.
Yeah.
This is
Yeah.
a very cool company. How long did you guys design this car? About 3 years?
The brand itself took a few years to, yeah, around about 3 to 5 years, I think.
And these two cars have the same chassis, correct?
Yeah, this one shares the same chassis, but the glass house and the roof is different. So,
Yeah, I can see.
you know, we had Peter Brock on stage at Goodwood, and, you know, he was a total surprise for him. And he was like, oh, I can't believe it, because he was the original designer of the P70.
Yeah.
And when he saw this, the smile on his face, he was just so happy.
That's what life is
Yeah.
about. And you can't say what the engine is, right?
Not right now. De Tomaso hasn't officially released their statement on that.
But I hope the engine's going to be as impressive as the styling of the car.
We hope so too.
So you're not in charge of, you're just in charge of the design.
Design, yeah. So basically, Wind Design is a UK design house. So this is our kind of our effort to kind of bring back the UK design.
Okay. The name of your design house, just so we could have it on video.
Yeah. So it's Wind Design. So it's WYN design.co. Yeah. Wind Design.
Winning. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Oh, thank
Hey,
you.
Appreciate
Thank you,
it.
guys.
Very nice meeting you.
Cheers, Mike. Thank you. Cheers.
Dude, this is right. Look at the exhaust. Whoa, dude. Single exhaust pipe. I mean, 2 pipes, single exhaust exit, but all that gold. All right, you go get that. I gotta get my Instagram. Mark check. Oh shit.
Oh, you dropped this.
Guys, our videos are still very low production because Mark hasn't gotten me one of these yet.
That's a lav mic. Yeah, we'll get one soon.
I just signed 2 backpacks, by the way.
Hey, oh, did you?
I was like, are you sure you want me to sign?
Hey, at 100K, I'll buy a lav mic.
All right, yeah, I'll buy myself one next week. Thank you.
All right, sounds good.
All right, guys, the Apollo IE.
Trying not to get. Wow. Oh my god. It is just as ludicrous in real life as it is in pictures. Look at this.
Wow, this is a spaceship. Unbelievable. Look, the seats, guys. Look at the seats. Can you, these, it's all a part of the tub. They're molded into the tub. I mean, the tub is molded around the seats, so these are just like inserts. It's not an actual seat. Oh my God. Wow, look at the steering wheel. Guys, I'm blown away. It has a clutch, which I don't understand why. Look at this. Brake, clutch, gas. Any idea why it's got a clutch as well?
Yes, because it's got clutch.
No, really?
No, but normally it's like a sequential. It's like
first gear.
proper racing.
Clutch for first gear only.
Yes, proper racing car. You know, even if it's sequential, they also have 3 pedals.
Okay, wow, very cool. That proves how little I know. I heard you're the Formula 1 driver.
Yes. So when I was young, I used to drive Formula 1s and GP2 cars.
For which team?
First with Williams and then HRT, that was the Spanish team.
So Williams, I'm assuming, was doing well back when you were racing for them.
Yes,
okay,
it was doing better. It was doing a lot
Ever
better.
since you left, unfortunately.
No, come on, man.
Wow, what a car, huh?
Yeah, it's amazing, man. And the noise.
Yeah, jeez. All right, I'm gonna get out.
Try to get out.
Yeah, I'm gonna try. Guys, this is like freaking insane. It's so tiny in here. Oh, thank you. Wow. You know, it's such an expensive car, I'm trying not to scratch it.
Okay.
Well, congratulations on the car. Wow. I know where the cars are, but I'm wondering where the copy is, man.
It's a good question.
Yeah.
I don't know. Not here.
No. Mark, that's a muscle. Let's go. Let's go see what it's all about. All right, I'm officially a car spotter running after the car. Ah! Where's that going, Tazzy?
I think they're loading it on the truck.
They're loading it. It's not coming on the drive?
It won't drive, but it will come to the second location.
Oh, okay. I guess we'll see it at the second location.
Oh wait, it might be. Where's Francesco said we're getting ready to go.
Oh, hell yeah. All right, let's go.
Oh my God.
Fucking mayhem. Look at mayhem. Hey. You guys ready for this shit? I'm ready. And this time we're not getting lost. No. Come look at all these mosquitoes.
Those aren't mosquitoes,
These are
those are
mosquitoes.
gnats, you weirdo.
I don't trust anything in Europe. Anything that flies in Europe is a mosquito to me. Fucking mosquitoes, Mark. They are mosquitoes.
They're not mosquitoes.
Yeah, I want to be that guy. All right?
Yeah?
Yeah, I want to be that guy.
Why?
It's like, it's got an F40, bro. Like, it's like, yeah, these, you know, these young kids, they come with their cool cars, but I got an F40.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so we're gonna do traction control off.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Was that a challenge?
Run out! You heard the man.
Fucking it. I mean, you gotta give the people what they want, eh?
Yeah.
What you gotta do, man. Still smoke, baby. Here, let me get those stripes. Look at that. That's Mondi right there. That's the Aventador SV. Aventador there. Mondi. How's that?
Epic. Been waiting for that, man. Been waiting for that.
You got it? You got it, Phil?
Yeah.
My man. Send it to me, I'll DM you. What's your name?
Thomas VDP 007.
And La Ferrari, give us something, baby. Oh, oops. I gotta go, guys. Ah! So guys, this is how we get those videos for you guys, the POVs. Hello.
Oh my God. My brain is back here. I was screaming like a girl.
This is why we came, baby. This is why we came 900 miles in one day. No, more than 900 miles. We came like,
oh, it was like 13 or 1200
in a matter of 24 hours.
Yep.
All right, boys. Traction is off. We are behind a Apollo ID. 20 of these guys to catch up here. Not 20, but like 8. They might be a little pissed off at me. But hey, I had to do it for you guys, right? This is a one-time, once-in-a-lifetime experience. I don't think the Apollo has ever been to the States. I think it's only stayed in Europe. You gotta do it for the vlog, man. You gotta do it for the vlog. Woo! Wow. That sounds just like the FF. Same engine as FF. F12, FF. I miss the FF now, man. And it has such a different pitch. So it's throatier than this car. This car's just very high pitched. That's throatier. Yep. Right. I think this is, I guess that would be a very nice race. They're both in the 700 range, but that's like almost positive that car is much lighter.
Yeah. Oh yeah. It's full carbon.
Well, what are you trying to say? You're trying to take away from the Mondi logo?
Damn. Wow, dude.
I'm trying to keep my distance just in case he slams on his brakes. I don't want to rear end him.
I don't know.
But I also want to be close because it sounds so good.
Hello. Hey, how's it going?
Very good.
I always see you in the mirror.
We go behind the LaFerrari. I mean, F40. F40. Oh, there's a Senna too. Oh my God.
The camera just saw your face, we're like, no way, these guys are actually here. That's so cool.
The first phone I've ever signed, #1.